Welcome to our pick of the best laptops for graphics to buy. You won't just find the most powerful and expensive laptops for graphics in this video. We've also got laptops with amazing features and covering all kinds of budgets. This video will help you find out which laptop you need for graphics. All the laptops in this list have been thoroughly reviewed by us, and only the best are included in this video. Let's start. So on number 1 is Apple Macbook Air. The new Apple Macbook Air isn't just the best laptop Apple has ever made, it's the best laptop money can buy right now. This is the first time a MacBook has topped our list, but the MacBook Air is worthy of this spot. On the outside is the classic MacBook Air design, sleek and handsome with few changes from previous models. The new MacBook Air is seriously fast. In our extensive tests, it booted up extremely quickly and in use feels as fast and responsive as any other laptop out there. The keyboard feels wonderful and the laptop runs silent even when under load. Chip is more power efficient than Intel equivalents, which means battery life is best ever for a MacBook Air. Its M1 chip is a real game changer, and the ability to run both legacy apps, M1 optimized apps, and iOS apps is very impressive. Next one is Microsoft Surface Laptop 4. While Apple blew us away with the new MacBook Air, arch-rival Microsoft has also impressed us with its new Surface Laptop 4, and for us right now it's the best Windows laptop you can buy. As with previous Surface devices, build quality and design is absolutely top-notch here, and its gorgeous Pixel-Sense touchscreen really sets it apart from the competition. There are 4 color options available too, and we have a special place in our hearts for the keyboard on this laptop. It's so comfortable and wonderful to use. We think you'll love it. Available in many configurations, this laptop is a top performer. Seemingly nothing can slow it down in normal use, even if you're the type of person that ends up with 100 Chrome tabs open before lunchtime. We managed to get 13 hours out of the Surface 4 laptop, a full 2 hours more than the MacBook Air, and the Dell Xps, with probably the best keyboard of any laptop out there. Amazingly thin good looks and incredible performance and battery life, the Microsoft Surface Laptop 4 is the best PC laptop money can buy. Next is HP Spectre X360, now coming with 11th generation Intel Core processors, which offer a decent performance boost and feature better integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics. The HP Spectre X360 is better than ever. It still features the usual impeccable 2-in-1 design, which means the screen can flip round to work like a tablet. The pristine gem-cut chassis that this laptop is known for make it one of the best-looking 2-in-1 laptops ever made, and when it comes to build quality, it's rivaled only by the excellent MacBook Air M1, available in several color combinations. The premium brushed metal design of the X360, absolutely, it's slim and light, and feels premium right down to the hinge on the reversible screen. With the latest Intel processor, this laptop is super fast and feels similar in use to the Surface Laptop 4. Lasting 13 hours in our battery test, the X360 is as good as it gets from an Ultrabook. The slim screen is extremely stylish and looks suitable expensive on the desk in front of you. The touch functionality works really nicely. It can get a bit loud, and it's expensive, but it looks beautiful and offers brilliant battery life as well. Next one is Dell Xps 13. At this point, we doubt that the Dell Xps line can do anything wrong. Its yearly updates have consistently made it into our best laptops list, and they're only getting better. The Dell Xps 13 is not only a gorgeous laptop, it also comes, as expected, with excellent performance, a stunning display, and long battery life, alongside a few others. Carved from solid aluminum, the Dell Xps 13 is an absolutely stunning laptop. It's super thin and light, and is right up there with the best Windows laptops ever made. With the latest Intel innards, the Xps 13 is very quick. It comes in several configurations, so you can save weight and money by opting for Core i5, rather than i7 if you choose. But either way, it's powerful enough to handle pretty much any non-professional task with ease. Lasting just over 11 hours in our test, the battery on the Xps 13 is excellent, though is beaten out slightly by the other options in this video. The Dell Xps 13 with Intel EVO is a gorgeous little machine that offers excellent performance, battery life, and more. It comes at the expense of ports, sound quality, and price, but none of these are enough for us to not highly recommend this laptop to anyone in the market. Next one is Razer Blade 14. This luxurious thin and light gaming laptop from Razer just oozes class and is an ideal laptop. It's solidly built, so you won't worry about it getting damaged during your travels, and it's one of the nicest looking modern laptops we've seen. The all black aluminum chassis make this laptop look really cool, and its sleek design belies the power within. The Razer Blade 14 comes with cutting-edge components as well, including the awesome AMD Ryzen 9 5900HX processor and up to an RTX 3080 graphics card. In our video playback test, the Razer Blade 14 lasted 6 hours 31 minutes. That's nowhere near as long as the other productivity laptops. But for an ultra-portable laptops, it's pretty good. The refresh rate on the 1440p screen is a whopping 165 HD, which means simply using Windows is a joy on this laptop, but also means that the RTX 3080 inside can be pushed as hard as possible. It's powerful enough to play any games or doing heavy tasks out there, while being beautiful enough to show off wherever you go. Next one is LG Gram 17. If you need a laptop with a large screen, this one is for you. The new LG Gram 17 features an incredibly light design and comes with some of the best mobile tech in the world. That includes Intel's new 11th generation processors and Iris Xe graphics, as well as two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports. And coupled with up to 16 GB of RAM and speedy SSDs, means this is a laptop that is brilliant for day-to-day tasks. Battery life is also phenomenal, easily lasting around 12 hours on a single charge. The most remarkable thing about the LG Gram is, as the name suggests, how light it is. Clearly, it's not the lightest laptop in this list, but at just 2.98 pounds, 1.35 kg, it's almost 50% lighter than competitors, such as the Gigabyte Aero 17. This is achieved without skimping in build quality. The shell is all metal, powered by Intel's 11th gen processors. The LG Gram is able to make optimal use of the bigger screen by utilizing an awful lot of horsepower. Even heavyweight applications are handled with ease. In our video playback test, the Gram 17 lasted 12 hours despite the large screen, which is excellent. Obviously, the 17-inch screen makes this laptop less portable, but the benefits of the extra screen space should be obvious. The LG Gram 17 is spectacular for productivity, boasting an impressively sharp screen, incredible battery life, and overall great performance. Finally, last laptop in our list is Acer Swift 3. Beyond the Acer Swift 3's modest exterior, you'll find an excellent laptop that boasts plenty of power for work and study. The Swift 3, not to be confused with the Switch 3, another laptop from Acer, is an inexpensive laptop. However, that plain chassis is all aluminum and packed with beefy components. The Acer offers a wonderful alternative to the Windows laptops further up this list. It still offers top-end performance from a choice of Intel or AMD components, but comes in at under $700. You'd think that cheaper build quality would be the result, but actually the Acer Swift 3 still looks and feels great. In terms of performance, the Switch 3 gets surprisingly close to the far more expensive Microsoft Surface laptop. Its display is a little lower resolution, but the two are otherwise strikingly similar, other than the price. The video test we ran gave a battery life of 7 hours 6 minutes. That's significantly less than the more expensive laptops in the list, and is one of the compromises Acer made to reach the lower price. A Full HD 1920 by 1080, 14-inch screen isn't the most high resolution out there, but still looks great, even though it lacks high-end sharpness. The latest Acer Swift 3 is an excellent ultrabook for the masses, made better thanks to its accessible price, thin and lightweight design, and pretty decent battery life. Do you agree with these recommendations? Leave your opinion in comments below. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.